GPRO is a green building professional skill training program that has been developed by Urban Green Council of New York. And it is responding to the needs of communities and various local and regional municipal governments in efforts of reducing carbon footprint and water conservation efforts at a national level. University of Miami is the only GPRO partner with exclusive delivery rights of the GPRO program for the state of Florida. GPRO training program has been customized based on climate needs of Florida in response to various challenges currently experienced. Buildings represent over 40% of energy demand nationally, according to Department of Energy data. Based on the trends currently projected for increased population as well as construction growth nationally, this will become a bigger challenge, and therefore there is a national emphasis on adopting measures to reduce energy demand. This is not only responding to the growing energy demand, it will also help reduce impact on climate change by reducing carbon footprint. As such, there has been several national initiatives where major metropolitan cities have been adopting towards reduction of energy and water consumption in densely populated regions. Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, Orlando, Atlanta, Seattle has been some of those cities. Miami-Dade County at the moment is the 20th such city, rolling in similar efforts. Building owners, property managers, occupants will be tasked to contribute to that effort by identifying inefficiencies in their operations, in the performance of their buildings, recognizing the benefits of such inefficiencies, where savings that may be generated would not only result in reduction in carbon footprint, but may offer them additional funds for adopting new initiatives for their residents or the occupants, or offer new employment opportunities, contributing to local economic growth and development. Often I get asked what type of buildings or properties might be the ideal candidates for GPRO certificate training. This is actually a very interesting or great question because it can extend to a very broad range of buildings. Those include commercial buildings, as well as multifamily, residential type buildings, as well as mixed-use buildings. In addition, we cannot really even exclude single-family residences. Everyone can benefit, every type of occupancy can benefit from the topics addressed and covered in the GPRO program. Often, energy consumption in buildings is not understood by occupants and operators of buildings, which results in loss of efficiency and significantly higher consumptions. Everyone can benefit, every type of occupancy can benefit from the topics addressed and covered in the GPRO program. Often I'm also asked, what if I'm already a highly performing, efficient, LEED certified building? Will I benefit from this training? And the answer again is yes, absolutely, because most often LEED certified buildings have a great intent to start with, but once they're in use and occupied, if a year or two down the road, they could start declining on performance. GPRO offers the opportunity to make sure that operators, owners, and occupants remain on task and are able to monitor the performance of the building from year to year to gauge and address any defects that may develop along the path.